Hi everyone, I have some exciting news to share. On January 21st of this year, we'll release Ride the Tornado. Continuously improve your marketing strategy in the midst of rapid change. Now we are in some rapid change. That's a no-brainer, right? So the question becomes, what do you do when your marketing that you used to do doesn't work anymore? How do you innovate? How do you change? Well, that's what's covered in this book. The RTX framework, what we call the Rapid Thinking and Executing Framework, covered in Ride the Tornado, is what we've been using for years to use data to make decisions and execute over that quickly to take advantage of what's changing in the market. The winners in the year ahead are going to be able to use data and make decisions, and that's how you get ahead. That's how you ride the tornado of change. So right now, we're in the pre-order stage. So if you're getting this video, you're one of the few first seeing the launch of this book. And so right now, I've got a special offer for you guys. If you go ahead and pre-order the book, I will give you the ebook version for free. So if you order the book, get your receipt and forward that receipt to orders@ridethetornado.com, and I'll forward you back the ebook for your support here as we get going. It's gonna be a big season. January 21st, not that far away. And so we're excited for you guys to get hold of this book and start taking charge of change. You can do it, you can make your marketing work, and Ride the Tornado is gonna help. Here's to a successful 2021. Stay tuned.